This is Rajesh Guggilla. I am going to talk about transforming bulk oil and gas logistics with IoT, leveraging ISOIL TSW for digital innovation and operational efficiency. Thanks for joining me today. Here are the things we are going to discuss. The table of contents of this ISOIL TSW, industry context and challenges, introduction to ISOIL TSW, core functionality of TSW, quantitative impact, alignment with the industry trends, benefits of ISOIL TSW, case study, operational impact, feature outlook, and conclusion. So here we will discuss about the industry challenges in oil and gas industry. The oil and gas logistics landscapes or the global oil and gas industry is valuated at 3.3 trillions as of 2023. Inefficiency in logistics can lead to substantial financial losses affecting profitability. A mid-sized refinery processing 250,000 barrels per day, valuated at 20 million daily, can incur massive losses from delays or errors. Increasing reliance on automation and integration to manage complex multimodal logistics. So, introduction to ISOIL TSW. What is ISOIL TSW? What are the core functionalities that TSW offers? So, we will discuss here. The ISOIL Traders and Schedulers Workbench is an advanced logistics management software. This basically will use it for the nomination and ticketing in the soil bulk product movement. So the core functionalities includes nomination, management for product scheduling, electronic ticketing for accurate documentation, multimodal transport systems. It also supports multimodal transport systems like rail, pipeline, and marine, and inventory reconciliation to prevent discrepancy, integration with the terminal invoicing system, designed to streamline bulk sales, purchases, and transfers with unmatched accuracy and speed. The core functionalities of TSW, key features and capabilities: nomination management, ticketing system, multimodal support, inventory reconciliation. We'll discuss detail about the nomination management. The nomination management, basically, it's a scheduling tool for the bulk refined crude products, either as a purchase, a sale, or transfer. So in real time, updates and coordinates across the stakeholders. So the nomination management system, it's real-time updates and coordinates across the stakeholders, handles high transaction values with the scalability, and the ticketing system, the automated ticketing system reduced documentation errors by 95% and supports processing of up to 10,000 daily tickets. Multimodal support, unified logistics management for rail, pipeline, and marine. The inventory reconciliation achieves 99% reduction in inventory discrepancies. We will discuss here the quantitative impact of TSW on operations. So error reduction, 95% reduction in documentation errors, efficiency gains, processes up to 10,000 daily tickets, inventory accuracy, 1% improvement translates to 1 million in annual savings for mid-sized refineries. Time reduced by 60%, enabling faster decisions making. Invoice processing time reduced by 70%, improving financial efficiency. So alignment with the industry trends. Here are the industrial trends driving automation and integration, automation technologies, integration technologies, TSW role. So automation technologies, market value projected to grow to 22.1 billion by 2027, enhances safety, reduces human errors, and boosts productivity by up to 25%. Integration technologies, cloud applications, market expected to reach 10.9 billion by 2027. TSW role integrates seamlessly with the existing inventory and invoicing system, reducing reconciliation and processing times significantly. Benefits of ISOIL TSW, the business benefits: enhanced accuracy, improved efficiency, better visibility, regulatory compliance, cost reduction. So, enhanced accuracy reduces human errors, improving reliability in operations. And improved efficiency enables teams to manage more transactional with less effort. Better visibility, real time updates reduce inventory holding cost by up to 15%. Regulatory compliance minimizes compliance risk, reducing associated cost by 30 to 50%. Cost reduction optimizes logistics process, achieving significant cost savings. Here is the case study for the operational impact. The TSW in action, a mid-sized refinery processing 250,000 barrels per day requires a robust logistics solution to overcome inefficiency in scheduling, ticketing, and reconciliation. Improvements achieved with the TSW, inventory reconciliation reduces to 30 minutes and $10 saved per ticket with the electronic ticketing. Real-time visibility enhances decision making and reduces operational delays. Shaping the future of oil and gas logistics, digital transformation goals unlock 2.5 trillion in value by 2030 through efficiency and automation. Technology adoption trends, greater reliance on AI, cloud technologies, and sustainability focused solutions. And TSW role in future, continued evolution to meet rising demands for faster, smarter, and more sustainable logistics and solutions. Is the conclusion of ISOIL TSW. The ISOIL Traders and Traders Workbench is revolutionizing bulk logistics management in the oil and gas sector by driving automation, integration, and operational excellence. It addresses critical industry challenges, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and compliance while reducing cost. As the industry evolves, TSW provides the tools necessary to stay competitive and sustainable. Join us in transforming oil and gas logistics. Contact us today to explore implementation opportunities and partnerships. Let us shape a smarter and more efficient future together. Thank you.